Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mombi, and today what we are going to be reviewing is the OPPO Reno Pro 6 5G. Yes, I have in my hands the beautiful OPPO Reno 6 Pro in 5G. Yes, it's not in the market in Qatar yet. It was launched, I think, last month in India, and it actually it stayed there. So we need the product in Qatar. I have one of them. My closest friend just brought one of them for me. And let's review it and see what is inside. So we'll open together with you guys. Let's see from which side. The seal is already broken, so we'll pull that one up. And then it's like when you're opening a new watch. Woo! Voila! So the box is down. The first thing that you will get inside the box is the SIM tool. And then the next thing, it's like a box which it has, the plastic cover. It's just basic. I think they should upgrade on these covers. It's just basic. And then we have the menu. So the box is out, and I think I need to take this one very careful. And here is our new OPPO Reno 6 Pro. It's not only 6, it's 6 Pro, because actually 6 looks exactly like an iPhone, but this one has been modified a little bit, and I will tell you about it. So the cover is here. It's 12 GB RAM, 256 GB, I almost says gigabytes, like GB, and it has a super fast charge. Let's look at the phone, how it actually looks like. Guys, from the back you can actually see it's the Aurora. The phone comes in two colors. It has the matte black and it has the Aurora, which actually changes. From that side you can see it has a blue. From this side it has a pinkish, and it's like super metallic. So here we have the camera, which is 64 MP, and the front one, if you can see from here, we have the small camera to the side. The side we have the volume 1 and 2. The other side we have power up. We don't have anything because these are phones that are meant to be like standing like this. When you're vlogging, you don't need to hold it, it will stand on its own. That's good for TikTokers or people who make videos. Even on the downside, it can still stand on its own. So the downward, we have the charger port and we have the SIM. It is a dual SIM. But what I didn't like really in the phone, it is the same place that you're charging, which is a C-type. You still have the earphones, which are C-type. That is the only thing that I didn't like about it. So let's go on. What are these? We have earphones that are C-type. You can see from here, they're actually, let me remove them. They're C-type earphones and very nice. I hope they are loud enough. What else? The cable. Oh my god, this is actually the giant cable, and these phones can charge super fast. What I'm vlogging with right now is the Reno 5, and it charges about 7 minutes. It's actually full because this is a 64 watts. So 7 minutes the phone is fully charged, and this is just the cable for the charger. So let's open the phone and see how the phone reacts. Guys, there's something nice about OPPOs. Let's just see how it's going to open up. It's like a door, you know, it's opening like, just wait and see. There you go, guys. It's like a door and it's opening like, woo. I am telling you, I am in love with these Renos. So actually, for big phones, what you would like, it's not like a box phone when you're holding it like this. It's like heavy and everything. So what it has, it is very smooth, and the screen is slanting over and over to the sides. See, it's flipping to this side and it's actually flipping to the other side. So it is so flat, guys. It's so flat. This side and the upper side are built like this, so you can actually, what I showed you guys, you can make it stand. what are the features of this phone? Why did I get this phone? The first thing is the camera, and the pictures that come out of these phones are amazing. I am going to drop pictures behind this video so you can see the kind of picture it actually takes. They are very nice and very super. Without beautifying, without any filters, you will get the quality pictures that you would like to have. Actually, I am comparing this Reno 6 to my OPPO 10X Zoom. That was my first OPPO phone that I bought, I think 2 years ago, and it was super nice. It used to be the pop-up. So I am glad, and I am not actually mad about this Reno. Oh my god. Guys, just look at those pictures. They're very beautiful. And guys, what you have not seen in this phone for vloggers is they have an added feature. When you're taking the video, it's actually blunt on the back, but you can see the whole surface. Let's do this. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I will leave this video and you see how humongous it is. My whole background is blunt, but in front of me I can actually see myself clearly, like literally clear. Everything is just clear. This phone is at its best. I'm not saying like other phones are not good, but once you use the OPPO Renos, you can never go back. So yes, we are waiting. Qatar is ready to have these phones, and I actually read in the internet that we have the Indian version and we have the international version. I hope I have the international version. These phones are just the best. The pricing in Qatar, maybe it will be like 2,500. I hope it's not above that, because the Reno 6, which is not Pro, will be like 1,000 and something. That is the market range in India. So when it arrives in Doha, we don't actually know how much it will be, but I really hope it's not that expensive, so you guys can just actually buy this phone and experience what I am experiencing right now. And when I do my next vlog, I'll actually mention it right there if I am using the Reno 5 or I'm actually using the Reno 6, and definitely I will be using the Reno 6 because I want you guys to see the experience that I am having with these phones. So the phone is actually meant for vloggers and gamers because the battery life is very nice and unique. Yes, this is a phone you can use like for hours without the battery dying. And if you're vlogging, yes, the capacity and the memory stands out for you to actually feel everything that you did in this phone. So thank you guys for watching, and actually I will do things with the phone and I will come back and tell you how the proceeding of the phone is going on. So thank you so much guys. Until next time, bye bye.